Napakaganda ng journey ko dito sa Santa Lucia Marketing and napaka-agent client friendly nila. As of this year, 2 years na po ako and I would always choose to stay in Santa Lucia Marketing because I love the quality of the projects and it is high-end but affordable. Yung pinaka-memorable kong sales ko dito sa Santa Lucia Marketing, yung client ko, hindi ko in-expect na tatlo yung kukunin na lot sa Soler Residences. And of course, being the top 2 salesperson of the company po. Malaki ang naitutulong ng Santa Lucia Marketing sa daily needs ko. Of course, I am a single mom with 2 kids. So malaki po itong suporta sa akin. Workers out there who are not yet accredited of Santa Lucia Marketing, join now and be part of this growing company. Here, you are not just a champion, but a family. Ako si Apple Tador, isang registered salesperson, and I am proud to be an accredited sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing. Join us and be the next champion sales partner.